Information. November is coming up, and in the crypto world, that means one question. Is something big about to break? Everything feels a little off right now. Tariffs, trade wars, money printing discussions, political noise. So what's really going on in crypto and geopolitics, and where does that leave us when November hits? First up, the trade war and tariff shock. The headline that changed everything. The Donald J. Trump administration announced 100% tariffs on Chinese tech exports, including export controls on software and rare earth mineral restrictions. That move triggered a mass liquidation event in crypto. Over $19 billion wiped out in leveraged positions within 24 hours. The message: global risk assets are shaking, and crypto is not immune. Next, monetary policy and money printing concerns. With tariffs rising and global supply chains strained, inflation worries are back, not just in the US, but globally. Central banks are under pressure, liquidity could tighten, and if money printing slows or reverses, risk assets like crypto will get hit. So while some talk of digital gold narratives for Bitcoin, the short-term risk environment is becoming heavy. Then, why November is so crucial? The tariff deadline lands November 1st, 2025. That means uncertainty will be high in the weeks ahead. If the trade war escalates or policy surprises come, we could see another major drop before the rebound. On the flip side, if we get relief, tariff negotiations, regulatory clarity, that could trigger a relief rally, crypto's version of alt season. November is also when macro calendars shift toward holiday liquidity, end-of-year flows, and tax loss harvesting, all factors that often impact crypto. So, is November good for crypto? Yes, but with one big caveat. The outcome depends on the macro shock or relief scenario. If we get relief, November could mark the beginning of a crypto rally, especially for alts. Expect big cap coins, BTC, ETH to lead, then alts to jump in. Watch for inflows, fewer liquidations, positive sentiment. If the worst happens, the tariff war deepens, liquidity dries, governments tighten. Crypto could dip further, maybe revisit recent lows until a clear bottom forms. November could become a washout period before any real upside hits. Finally, what main events we're watching? Tariff announcements or negotiations between the US and China, central bank statements on liquidity, inflation, and money printing, crypto-specific regulation updates, especially in the US or Europe, ETF or institutional product launches for crypto that could unlock new capital, big whale accumulation visible on-chain once risk subsides. If you want to stay ahead of all these moving parts, check the links in the description for the latest news, live prices, and updates. Stick around, keep your eyes open, because November might just decide the next phase of this crypto cycle. This isn't financial advice, it's what the data and headlines are telling me. What's your bet? Relief rally in November, or more pain before the next leg up? Comment below and let's discuss.